morning everyone. A very happy and prosperous new year to all of you. Today 1st January 2018, a very important day for all of us residing in UAE. Yes, VAT or value added tax is implemented today and our UAE economy is no more tax free with the introduction of this law. UAE and KSA have effectively implemented VAT on 3rd January 2018, while other participating GCC countries will be implementing it by 2019, probably. I feel it is a very significant and positive change when I am looking at it at a wider picture, although one might initially think it is an additional cost. By now, most of you would have already aware of what VAT is. It is nothing but a consumption-based tax on taxable services and supply. VAT is collected and paid to the government by taxable person at each stage of production. We have been paying indirect levies such as SALIC, service charges, etc. VAT is the major indirect tax implemented and it is the first federal tax across the UAE administered by the Federal Tax Authority. As you already know, VAT in some countries is also known as Goods and Service Tax or GST, which is a type of general consumption tax that is collected incrementally based on the surplus value added to the price on work at each stage of production, which is usually implemented as a destination-based tax where the tax rate is based on the location of the customer. Taxes are imposed by the government within the constitutional power of the country. VAT collected can be used for social spending, sovereign functions, and for meeting other objectives of the government. As it is a consumption-based tax, it is not going to affect the profitability of the business as such, although it can increase the working capital requirements. It is borne by the end consumer. If the business is unable to manage their input credits effectively, they may result in increase in cost, thereby resulting in fines and penalties. For this, you should have a clarity on how you are going to cope up with the regulatory requirements, if not done so already. On the purchasing and receiving side, you have to maintain necessary documents for getting the input tax credit. Also on the supply side as well, you have to maintain necessary documents for the output tax. The difference between these two can either be a tax refund or tax payable depending on the situation. The impact of VAT is not only accounting or IT issue. It is going to have an impact from the starting business structure. Awareness and proper compliance with VAT regulation is very critical for every taxable person. So every organization must give proper training to all their employees. So if you have any queries or questions, you can reach out to me at cajayamatthew@yahoo.com or you can inbox me. I will reach out to you. Once again, wishing you all a very happy, prosperous, successful new year with a successful VAT compliance. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.